Let's do this shape here, a little bit bigger on the width, but shape number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This guy is 2. And the height of this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 for just that vertical part. So let's take a look at how this shape is made. We'll start by drawing a base of 10 by 5. Oh, and it's too tall. Fusion, new design, sketch, green and red. I'm going to draw a rectangle this way. And I'm going to leave my mouse and hover there because it's blue on the dimension I want. And it's too tall, so it's going to be 2 times 0.25. Tab 5 times, 10 times 0.25. That's that base. And then extrude, finish, then extrude that direction. And right here, we said it was 5 deep. All right, coming back. That's going to be a negative 5 times 0.25. Our base. I'll show you a new tool that we can use. I'm going to do a sketch on the top. Do 2 rectangles. 1, 2, locked down to the corner like it's supposed to be. It's going to be 2 times 0.25 wide and 0.25 deep. I want them to be identical. So I can just click on that dimension and they match. Click on that dimension and they match. Finish. Extrude 1, 2, up 4 times 0.25. All right, now that should match what we had right here for just this back section right there, coming across and filling that in right there. We need to fill in this curve. Let's take a look at how that's done. There's multiple ways to do it, but one of the neat ways is with a fillet tool. So right here is fillet, and I can click on this line and that line. And I'm going to put in a random number, 0.25. You can see a little curve goes in there. Well, I know that the radius of that circle, if I look back here at it, would be like if a line was there and a line was there. This would be the center point. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So what does that mean? 4 times 0.25. Bam, we got those curves where they're supposed to be. Next thing, sketch on the middle. Draw a box. Now let's dimension that box properly. It looks to me like the box is 2 by 2, and it's 2 from the side and 2 from the side. All right, that should be easy. So dimension 0.25 times 2, 2 times 0.25, 2 times 0.25, and 2 times 0.25. Box. Now it looks a little funny. I wonder if that's correct or not. Let's see how that compares to my original. Maybe I have a mistake. Nope, it looks like good. It's only 1 box from the bottom and 2 from the top, so it's not equal. So that looks good to me. Let's go back and check our dimensions here. That is definitely 2 blocks wide. So I think we got it. Let's go back here. Let's finish the sketch. Extrude this guy down, distance all. There's our object right there. Let's see what that was made out of. Also aluminum. Let's go back and change our materials. Box around the whole thing. Right click, physical material, metal, aluminum, grab and drop it, close, whole thing, right click, properties, slide that over there, bodies, sketches, good, all in the picture, snip, oops, new snip, right here, copy, here, here, number 6. Copy. All right, there's shape 6 for you.